I'd like to introduce Biotos Fetal Doppler BT200. There are 4 different types: BT200S, BT200L, BT200T, BT200C. BT200S has only sound function without display. When you turn on the device, there is green light and you can hear the sound from the probe. BT200L is LCD display with sound, and this one is 2 MHz. BT200T looks the same with BT200L, but only different frequency to 3 MHz. BT200C is color display with sound. Although the function is the same, so I will explain BT200L model, which is the most popular one. For the front view, there are power and volume button here. And here is earphone jack. This is hole for necklace. Here is probe holder, and it is LCD display. For the back side, here is battery cover. 2 pieces of AA battery should be used, and operating time is 5 hours. Even though it is disposable battery, the rechargeable battery is optional and you can purchase it. I'm going to turn on the device. This is the filter heart rate, and it detects from 50 to 240 BPM. Here is battery low indicator, and you can see the detect accuracy from this heart. When the detection is stable, black heart will be shown. There is auto shut-off function. Without using it, sound will be off in 1 minute. Also, power will be off in 5 minutes. For the operation, firstly, apply the gel to the probe and place the probe to the measuring position. Search for fetal heart by moving the probe slowly till you can hear the clear fetal heart sound. Here is the light position.